Actually, we feel that basically we are consciousness. We are not physical body.
Madam, 1 second.
Okay.
Hello, friends. Welcome to the session. Welcome all the who is joining Zoom and offline. Today we have Ramya Madam. She is from India basically, and she is in Qatar as of now, and she is practicing this meditation for past 10 years and doing this service. And today she will be talking about 12 spiritual tablets, and we will hand over to Ramya Madam, and she will take the class today.
Yeah.
And I will share the PPT, and you can watch the slide. Share files advanced.
Share files advanced.
PowerPoint
Portion of
advanced.
the screen. PowerPoint is also okay. Yeah. If it should be comfortable, it should see by everyone.
If you are speak yours, because zero.
They should also see, no?
Okay. Or you can I'll share in the phone for them.
Yeah.
That's best.
You can
just ask them whether they're able to see.
Everybody, can you be able to see the screen? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Hello? Yeah. We are seeing the.
You are seeing, right? Okay.
Yeah, sure.
Keep that side. Laptop with you.
Yeah.
We can show them. Phone, let it be clear.
Start introducing Dr. G.
Hello, friends. This concept of spiritual tablets was introduced by GK sir. He is a doctor by profession, and he is doing the service from almost past 20 to 30 years. And presently he is in UK. GK sir. He is from India, Vizag, and he has founded this concept of spiritual tablets. Spiritual tablets is nothing but it is like a principle. These tablets, when we follow it regularly in our life, we can create wonders. And there are almost 350 plus spiritual tablets. Every disease or illness has got one tablet. If you're having example back pain, it has got one tablet. When you refer that tablet, means there are some guidelines in the tablet. You have to, which books you have to read, which master conversation to read. Everything specifically they have given in tablet wise. If you're having this specific illness, that tablet they will refer to you. It's like a prescription only. When you go to doctor, how you use a prescription? In the same way, they recommend tablets. But these are not the which we take the medicine tablets, but they're spiritual tablets. Everything is same, and they follow up regularly, 2 weeks, 3 weeks once. The prescription. If any changes, they do changes in prescription. But here it's not medicine. It's everything is the spiritual tablets. And they tell if any illness is very high, then you should do more hours of meditation. Because everything you can cure with is meditation. Because that is because he is by profession doctor, so he wants people to get benefit by this meditation using the pyramids, our thoughts, everything, not to depend on the medicines, go to hospitals. Because why should we spend money when you are able to cure any disease free of cost? Why you want to spend money? So he found this concept of spiritual tablets, and it is helping many people. And the same thing we are telling every person, because what benefit we have reached, we are trying to share with every person these benefits. Like this is a concept of spiritual tablets, and they have opened some health centers also in India everywhere. Anyone who is having any illness or any disease, they can just go there and they can consult and they will cure. And everything is main thing is everything is free of cost. Nothing is charged by this. Any illness you can cure. like BP, sugar, heart attack, cancer, any diseases you can cure with meditation. That is
You
the
can
power.
cure with meditation. Along with the meditation, right is spiritual wisdom. Okay, everybody tells about meditation, application, and all. There are many benefits about meditation. We can use our meditation for our concentration, anything. We can use cosmic energy is actually a energy which we can mold it in any way, however we want to. Okay, the meditation is like an what you say, it's a weapon. It's a weapon, and we can use it in any way. But how to use the weapon, we should know very well. That is wisdom. That's where the chips in the wisdom. Okay. See here, we are from spiritual type's perspective. We are um, like we are prescribing. We are using meditation for health, basically. How much ever money you have, how much many cars you can have, so much money you can have, but health is very much important. If you do not have righteous health, uh, you cannot enjoy all the pleasures, right or not? So what is health actually? If we see the spiritual perspective, we are not only the physical body. First we should keep in mind that we are not physical body. We are souls. We have taken the physical body. That should be fixed in our mind before listening to these concepts. Okay, so for some people, by doing continuous meditation, they can cure their illnesses, uh, hours together. There are many people in our ancient people and all. They were not suffering with any diseases. Basically, they were very happy. That is called Satya Yuga. Like in Satya Yuga, people were very happy and they were living with complete truth at the time. They were not all now. Why we have got these many laptops or banks or in, because we have insecurity and fear. That's why we created this many. Otherwise, if we have trust and good relationships with everyone, if we everybody shares and cares for everyone, we will not have this bondage. No, we will not have this these many like a police system or like security forces or whatever it is. So we are not in that age. Basically, we are now, earth is in a position, slowly it's moving to Satyuga, basically. That's why this practice of meditation and taking care of the people, now again it has started again, because all the earth is moving from, already moved actually in fifth dimension. So in fifth dimension, what happens, our thoughts will manifest very in a rapid way. Like whatever we think, it will happen. Okay, so that righteous thoughts are very important. Always we do get many negative thoughts, right? In a day, many negative thoughts we get, but those are all because of our belief system, thought patterns, which were formed from our childhood, basically. So those unwanted, unscientific belief systems should go away. Righteous and conscious belief system should chip in our consciousness. So once we chip in the righteous thoughts and righteous once we chip in the righteous thoughts, we'll do the righteous actions, definitely. So spiritual tablets are nothing but they divide, like we have different body parts in our system, right? So uh, it's division, basically. Like for leg and lower back problems, we prescribe some tablets. At the same time, uterus problems, we prescribe some tablets. At the same time, we have 7 chakras: Mooladhara, Swadhisthana, Manipura, Kanahata, Visuddha, Agna, and Sahasrara. So depends on the body part. uh, uh, we'll just identify by spiritual counseling. We'll just identify. It depends on their dreams and experience, meditation experiences. what is the right way they have to choose. We'll come to know, because we are counseling people since long time, so we'll come to know easily what they have to apply. Okay, like what they have to apply for at righteous guidance at the righteous time, we can say. Okay, like that, Dr. Sir, Dr. GK Sir, Dr. Gopal Krishna Sir has framed many spiritual tablets. Depends on their individual, their life design and their dreams and experience, meditation experiences. Depends on the master's dreams and meditation experiences. Will just guide and your life design and everything. Basically, today we'll just. I'll just brief you about 12 spiritual tablets. What are these and all? How we these are 12 spiritual tablets are divided in six. If we take 12 spiritual tablets, first 6 are for energy gaining, and the second 6 are knowledge gaining. Okay, so charging.
Next.
So basically, our funda is spiritual intellect is the root, and the physical health is a fruit. Suppose when we consider ourselves as a soul, like we have 7 bodies, not one body. We have physical body, but we are a set of 7 bodies. So if we correct our intellectual body, automatically the application will automatically it will apply on the physical body. Okay, that kind of corrections we have to do to gain the complete health. Okay, no need to go to doctor often. Like even if you go to doctor, minimal medication and meditation, as well as the righteous wisdom capsule, you can cure yourself. You can do a self counseling, where I'm going wrong, what I need to correct myself to come out of this particular disease, or something like that. You can correct yourself by doing your self counseling, basically. No need to depend on anyone, basically. For health, we just hurriedly go to doctors and all. Actually, it's not needed. With righteous wisdom, righteous meditational practice, and righteous guidance, it's not at all, no need to go to doctor at all. Okay, that's how even we are, since 10 years we are doing meditation. Very less times only we used to go to doctor. It's not like often, like I don't say that we are not going to doctor, but even the COVID comes, we do not have any fear. That I can say confidently. Like we are fearless, because once you have that soul experience, your fear will vanish. That once you believe that you are a soul, and it will vanish. So that belief you will get by doing continuous practice of sadhana. Okay, I hope I'm clear till here. Like if we first there are 12 spiritual tablets, and first one is meditation. Okay, that we have already did. Okay, it's a simple breath observation technique which we did. Okay, and we need to do it in a comfortable posture, by sitting and laying down, wherever you are, in sofa or in bed, wherever you are feeling comfortable. Some bedridden patients will be there, they cannot do they cannot do the meditation. They can lie down and do the meditation. Okay.
Advisable to do it in a cross-leg posture?
Hmm?
Is it advisable to do it in a cross-leg posture? Or
Yeah, actually cross leg, this is the righteous way. This is Buddha Prapodhita Anapanasati meditation. So there are many techniques and many ways, but this is a simple, you can say. If you want, you can try all the methods. Even we tried all the methods. Finally we came into this because we felt that it is simple, and it is not like we are marketing and all, because with the love towards universe we are doing. That's it. It's not like we are doing selfish or something like that. We do not get anything. We just because of universal love only we are doing. That's it. nothing else. Okay. See, for chronic illnesses, you have to do 4 to 6 hours daily meditation. 4 to 6 hours, morning, afternoon, and evening, and on, with frequent intervals. Depends on how you manage your day. Preferably, it is morning, afternoon, and night, and all. What happens if you do meditation? Initially, you'll start taking energy. So, because of energy only, some diseases will go away. If you take my example, I was suffering with severe migraine headache before coming to this path. I was suffering like hell. You know, even the pinpoint drop also I could not be able to tolerate. Because of that, I used to get anger a lot. Now also sometimes I get anger, but it's reduced when compared to earlier. It reduced a lot. Because of that, see, once we start doing meditation and start reading the New Age spiritual books, what happens? You'll start believing that you are a soul and you will get all astral experiences. So all head related illnesses are related to this only. All neurological illnesses or migraine or headache or nausea or vomiting, like all head related fits and all. If we read New Age spiritual books like Ramana Maharshi, Seth Wisdom, and Linda Goodman, Sunshine Before the Dawn, many New Age spiritual books are there. If you read those books and once you fix that you are a soul and you will get that soul experience astrally, automatically head diseases will go away. Definitely it happens. We have seen many cases like that. Okay. It can be because of our past life karma, but we should not suffer. No. Yes, it is a past life karma basically, but by being happy also we can face that past life karma. It's not like because it is past life karma we have to suffer, right? That's where we address it. Okay, this pyramid meditation and New Age spirituality and all, it will address. I don't say problem will go away, but the thing is we'll get that braveness to face the challenge, to face any challenge in our life, any disturbance in our life. We'll get that support, internal support. The soul will be ready to face that particular kind of situations, and we will try to accept. Our mind will become very broadened. We will try to accept and invite everyone in our life, and we'll try to learn from everyone. That's why these spiritual concepts will help us a lot to evolve. Once we try to accept everyone, then only our soul consciousness will increase. Understand? That's any questions so far? It's clear? So our consciousness, why we have taken birth here is to evolve our consciousness, basically. To know the things which we did not know earlier in our previous lifetimes. We just come here and attempt to learn the things. Okay. So initially we will not get focus basically. Later on, once you start practicing the meditation, later on you'll just hang on it. We increase our sadhana day by day. Automatically, one day you'll get hang of yourself. Once you know yourself, then only you can express to everyone very well. That is called Aham Brahmasmi, Tattvamasi, Sarvam Kalpitam Brahma, Buddharena Atmanatmana. Like that, as like Indian scriptures says. Okay, everybody is equal. We are the specks of universal consciousness. We should feel that oneness consciousness. Some people can express very well. Some people cannot express very well. But the thing is that they do not know. They cannot express. That's it. So we will start accepting everyone, and we'll our ESP will increase day by day, extrasensory perception or reading aura or astral travel or kundalini activation. Okay, so we'll just get a hint, like once we activate our third eye, what happens? It's a torchlight. Once we activate our third eye, we can take better decisions, where to go, where not to go, whom to choose, whom to travel. Is he a right person or not? Our intuition will start guiding us. Once you increase your sadhana, our intuition will increase day by day. Day by day, it will increase, and we'll attract better people, and we'll choose the better people, and we'll create best realities, which our soul will get satisfied. We'll attract like-minded people. In this way, many advantages are there with meditation. How you choose, how you use the energy, and how you want, which path you choose. It depends on yourself and your soul evolution and your experiences and your life purpose. Basically, for identifying the life purpose, we have to do the meditation. That's what it's meant to me, basically. The life purpose will change each and every now and then. Okay, that you have to identify, and you can use your ESP or third eye or anything for reaching that life purpose, to fulfilling that life purpose. Okay. So meditation advantages are, it cleanses the nadi system. If any energy blocks are there, it will clear, and we'll get symptomatic relief initially, and we'll get many meditational experiences. Just now I had told, we can do astral travel, we can open, some people will have, some souls will have some gifts. Okay, some people have third eye visions, and we can use that third eye. And some people will do astral travel, and some people are very good at sensing energy, and some people will have intuition, some people will have like telepathy, aura reading, teleportation. All these are gifts by practicing a rigorous meditation. But how we use, but those kind of energies, those kind of abilities which we get while doing meditation, either we have to use for self spiritual evolution or society spiritual evolution. We should not misuse those powers, misuse the mystical powers, basically. So that's where the wisdom chips in, how we have to use our energy very well. We can see in Puranas, Ravana also did meditation, Vibhishana also did meditation, Ram did meditation, and Shiva did meditation. Everybody did meditation, but how they used their meditation matters a lot. Righteous utilization of energy comes only by using by righteous thoughts. So that's why our thoughts should be miraculous or positive. Even if we do meditation, if we have fear, if we carry fear, if we carry negative thoughts, the energy will go away. Okay, if we have to maintain the energy level, we should always have miraculous thoughts or positive thoughts. Then only we can we can maintain that what we can maintain that we can preserve that energy. Then only we can utilize that energy very well. Otherwise, we cannot utilize the energy. So fear is you can say, if you take a pot, if you keep all holes in it, holes under the pot, if you try to fill the water in it, okay, water indicates a cosmic energy, basically. If you try to fill the water in it, it will drain away, right? The pot will not hold it. Empty pot, there is no use at all. So that is the fear, basically. So we need to address the fear. What are our fears? We need to checklist all our fears and write down everything. Which fear? Why I am getting this fear? So there are fundamental spiritual concepts. Once we cross-check our fears with the fundamental spiritual concepts, like we are body, we are soul, we are not body, we came here for learning only. All these things, there are 8 to 10 traffic signals principles in spiritual tablets itself. If you compare all these fears with those principles, every day if you make it a habit and keep it on your wall and all, then what happens, whatever the because of fear, we tend to create a non-supported situation. Even if the situation is supporting, we do not feel that it is supportive. Understood? Getting me? So once we apply these new age spiritual principles, then slowly the non-supportive atmosphere will become supportive, and slowly you'll get your individuality. So basically, this root chakra block is fear. This root chakra is nothing but the Mooladhara chakra. The Mooladhara chakra's block is fear only. So fear, this Mooladhara chakra is related to lower back and leg.
Louder.
Huh?
I can barely hear you.
You cannot hear me? You come closer.
Yeah.
Is audible now?
So Mooladhara chakra block is fear and survival consciousness. So like we have many fears, bodily fears and all. So by doing continuous meditation and know about soul, then we'll slowly come out of the fear. And sometimes by seeing the past lives also, okay, in my past life I did like this to some person, maybe that's why I'm facing the same problem. If that realization itself will relieve you internally, intellectually, if we relieve itself also, what happens, you can cross that fear. Basically, if you cross that fear, you will get so much of liberation internally.
So is it just a matter of crossing the fear, or like understanding and trying to, like, how do you overcome or cross that fear? In other words, how do you cross
You
it?
have fear or not? Do you carry any fear?
Yeah, I guess I do.
You do have fear.
I have concerns.
Okay.
I'm guessing concerns are fear, right? So how
Okay.
do you cross them? By like answering them? By like solving them? Why just like say, I have no fear? How do you do that?
By exercising, by reading new age spiritual books. Okay, a lot of swadhyaya, basically, that is called swadhyaya. Um, by taking soul experiences. Do you have any astral experiences? Astral experiences that
No,
you
they're all beginners. All are beginners.
all are beginners.
All are beginners.
Okay.
I
Don't know, like
If I may say, what she's trying to say is, it's a wave theory. Your body is just waves.
Yeah.
this one?
Everything
The fall again.
is
I
from
just fell in love with that.
once you really start believing in this,
They don't know about chakra.
you start believing
I don't know. Sometimes in minute 1/3 I can open you. I
whatever
cannot
is
say
there
anything.
today may not be there.
Okay.
And if you do more and more, basically it will give you more power to put logic behind the fear. So
You can
you
take
will be able to
question
put
starts
down one will
can
finish
finish
up
up
question
question.
down on
Yeah.
what is it that is leading to that fear,
Okay.
and if you know it, then probably it's not there anymore.
Once you know your fear, what is your fear,
Yeah.
you will be ready. Internally, you are ready
It's
to face it.
unexpected thing. Once expectations are not there,
I know what my fears are and my concerns and all of that. But I don't know how to overcome them.
That you can personal counseling. If you cannot express in group, you can
I'll share
take
contact number.
you can speak with me individually.
Okay, got it.
Understood?
Okay.
So that's how once once we speak with each other, you'll start getting dream guidance and all. Depends on the dreams and meditation experiences, we'll guide.
Oh, okay.
Understood?
Yeah. No,
That's what we work. Like how
Sounds exciting.
that's how we work.
Individual.
Individually,
One-to-one basis they work out.
Then
Because
you will come to know through your dreams itself where exactly your fear is, what exactly your fear is.
Okay.
Understood?
Maybe it's not the one I think it is. Then.
Hmm.
Maybe it's something else. This is what you're saying.
Yeah, it can be anything. You see, the fear name we have kept here because we are earthbound souls. We named it as a fear, but it can be anything. You have to open up. It is according to your belief system, basically.
Okay.
Maybe by going through some learnings, you may come out of that easily, but you need to address it for your soul's evolution. What happens once you cross that na, you will attract more evolved souls. See, this is fear, this is incomplete knowledge, this is power, and this is higher chakra, this is love, you can say. So you have to ascend from fear to love. So once you ascend, you will attract the people how your vibration is. Understood? So that's why we need to do the spiritual practice. That evolvement is needed for ascending ourselves. You feel very relaxed internally once you ascend. Okay. So some people can cure diseases only through meditation. If you cannot do meditation, if you cannot cure your disease through meditation, you can go to pyramid meditation. So why you use pyramid is it has certain angle. It will channel high cosmic energy. That's why pyramid meditation is preferred, basically. Okay, like it represents. You can explain about pyramid.
This pyramid is nothing but like instrument. When we meditate, no, normally also we receive cosmic energy, but when we use a pyramid, it is 3 times more energetic. That's it. That's the reason we use pyramids. And for the beginners, it is very much helpful because they can easily reach the thoughtless state by using the pyramids. That's the reason we use pyramids. Everything is sciences because normally everywhere you're having the sunlight, but if you want to burn a leaf, it doesn't burn. What you do? You use a magnifying lens, or then you can burn the leaf because the energy gets point one point, and you can burn the leaf. In the same way, everywhere we're having the cosmic energy. But if you want more energy, what happens? We use the pyramid. When you use the pyramid, what happens? All the energy comes to one point. When you're wearing the pyramid or using a pyramid, the energy just flows down. That's the reason we use pyramids.
Should the pyramid always be pointing up?
We'll clarify it last, because finishing all, you can ask doubts. At last, I'll clarify what your doubts are.
Okay.
First, we'll finish all the 12 tablets, whatever is there to discuss.
Okay.
Then, whatever doubts you're having, we can just
Okay. No, I was asking about
clarify.
the pyramid.
It is the
Should it
same.
always point
See,
up?
it's
This
the
is the
same
pyramid,
thing.
eh?
This is the pyramid. It has all
Four sides are equal.
Under this, if you it will channel high energy actually. If you go into the pyramid, you will feel that energy basically. You feel that pleasantness.
pyramid.
The
This
pyramids
is the
are
pyramid.
like nothing but
Yeah.
astral.
After the class, we will give the pyramid cap also
Is
for
this
you.
the pyramid?
No.
No.
Pyramid means all four sides will be equal.
It-
That
this
is the pyramid.
But it has to have a bottom, like,
Yeah.
straight
Like
Yeah,
that.
line.
yeah.
And it has to point up.
Yeah. That's
Hmm.
what
It cannot be like this.
Egypt pyramids, you know that? Do you know Egypt pyramids? There are pyramids in
Egypt,
Egypt. No?
Yeah, yeah,
These are
yeah.
pyramid. Yeah, that's
Those
the
are
pyramid.
pyramids only.
Yeah. Okay.
The same thing
Okay,
we
so
can
it has to be
use.
straight and it has to point up.
Yeah, we
The
can
same
wear a
thing we
cap
can
like
use
this.
for meditation.
Okay.
So it will
Exactly
channel high energies.
Next tablet.
We have eye pyramids also. If you suffer with eye problems and all, you can keep
I built it.
eye
And
belt
just wear,
like this.
and
You can
sit
wear like this
meditation.
and
That I. Everything specific. If you have knee problem, there is knee pyramid.
Knee
belt, you
pyramids.
can wear it.
you
Back,
can wear it.
back belt
Back
is there.
pyramids are
Everything
there.
specific is
Chest
there.
chest pyramids are there. So while sleeping, if you use that,
Full vision, you can hear
Yeah, that pyramid belt should rest where, and you can meditate. That is energy. Because of that, all the whatever problems are nice, that gets healed.
it will help you
You can
basically.
cure your sight also
Yeah.
with this pyramid.
There are many people by using the pyramid energy and pyramid different specific to different body part specific pyramids, they heal themselves. Basically, there are many people. You can try. Some people like mostly it will work.
I mean, no need of laser surgery.
Hmm?
No, nothing. No, do not spend 1 rupee also.
That's the
Everything
laser.
free of cost you can cure with pyramids and meditation.
Great.
You not spend your 1 rupee also for this. Everything is free in abundance you're having with the
It's
universe.
natural, right? Money
Yeah,
is-
everything in abundance. The universe is giving in abundance. It's free of cost. You can just use that energy and just heal yourself. You not depend on anyone, no doctor, no medicine. That's the concept of meditation and spiritual tablets.
But spiritual tablets are like see for some people even if they do lot of meditation also they cannot heal themselves. So there you have to apply some wisdom. That wisdom will come what they have to apply by speaking to spiritual counselors. You will come to know by individual counseling. You will come to know. Okay, where exactly we are blocking, what exactly we have to apply. See if the pyramid is here and we can do hours together of meditation in pyramid, we can cure our diseases. But pyramid is not there no as of now. So that's why we need to take the help of already some people have the practice, continuous practice of meditation. If we take their help, what happens? We'll reach the thoughtless state very easily. See, that's why in group meditation, energies are very much why, because some people, even if the non-meditators comes, and even non-meditators in this nothing but maybe they might have done meditation in their past lives. Non-meditators are nothing but those who do not practice meditation. Those who have more thoughts now, they have to get rid of those thoughts, right? So once you do not have any thoughts, then only you can channel the energy. So with the help of the people who already have some hang on the pyramid meditation, their energy will help you to have the less thoughts. That's why the group meditation is very much good for the people with any emotional blockages or any uh, health diseases or anything. The group meditation will give so much of energy for them. So they come out of the with the group energy, they will be very good like that. Understood? And the pyramids will enhance that basically along with the group. And under pyramid, if you start doing meditation, it will be more effective. Understood?
You have to combine all meditation, pyramids.
That is next
group.
third one is group meditation.
Third tablet is group meditation. The
And
nature,
it creates group meditation creates 3 times stronger energy field. And sometimes the astral surgeries also will happen in the group meditations. And 40 days like some people, like we can take 40 days of meditation challenge. Okay, and we can keep on doing that meditation every day at the same time. Like suppose if we keep 6 to 7 Doha time, like we can keep for 40 days continuously. What happens as like in Hinduism, it is like 40 days puja or vrat, like you can say like that. Like that we can 40 days continuously we can meditate by keeping the same thought. It will really help you. That too with the group, if you do that, it will really help you. Okay, and wherever you go, you should start teaching this. It's a kind of service basically. Wherever you go, to your friends, to your home, to your relatives, or to your children, because the home system should be supportive. Thoughts and all, no, because we are thoughts. We are made. Our body is made by our thoughts only. So once our thoughts are proper, so what happens? Like that atmosphere is needed basically. Okay, that atmosphere is needed basically. That's why these pyramids and plants, keeping plants inside and keeping pyramids and keeping crystals inside your home, it will enhance your energy basically. Okay, understood? And now the fourth spiritual tablet is full moon meditation.
taking that crystal with you.
Sorry,
You're taking that crystal with you.
I'm just fallen in love with this. The moment I hold it, I just go back into meditation again.
Yeah, it's very full moon meditation. It's very very important, you know. And, first meditation, individual meditation, group meditation, pyramid meditation. With all this, if you do full moon meditation, you will come to know. For coming to know our life purpose, full moon meditation is very much useful. Full moon day and the prior 2 days and after 2 days, or prior 3 days and after 3 days of full moon meditation, it creates wonders. Okay, those 7 days are very much helpful for channeling high energies and for knowing the life purpose and for knowing reason behind any disease, for knowing the reason behind any problem. Suppose if you have any financial problem or social problem or any problem, any kind of problem, you'll in full moon meditation, if you keep the release the thought to universe, saying that what is the root cause of this particular problem, why I am facing this particular problem, then through your dreams and meditation experiences, you will get the guidance. What is the root cause of that particular problem? Okay, once you get the guidance, once you start implementing according to the guidance, then you will start attracting the situations to apply your knowledge which you gained through this meditation, through your dreams or experiences. Once you apply that particular knowledge, you will completely come out of it. Okay, that's why these full moon days are very very much important. Suppose if you really want to come out of that particular problem in your life, like either it can be a relationship problem or financial problem or a disease, the thing is, what you consider is your problem exactly. What is your challenge? For some people disease can be a problem, for some people relationship is a problem, so for some people financial problem is a problem. But for anything, if you keep a thought and if you release a thought and if you utilize your full moons at least for 6 months, if you utilize it, automatically what happens, you'll come out, you'll get to know what is the root cause exactly. Once you address the root cause, automatically situation will change. Okay, that is the advantage of full moon meditation. You need to do intense 3 days of meditation. Okay, in full moon days you have to take less food, basically fast. It is advised to be in mauna or for fasting or something like that. Okay, whole night you can spend by taking several intervals. Whole night you can spend in meditation, and you will that's what it is said, that you can discover the reason for suffering. Okay, and in full moon days, in general days, if you do meditation, if it is 1 hour, in full moon day, if you do 1 hour equals to 6 hours, like that. It has the proportion basically. So that's why you need to utilize the full moon energies and full moon days very well.
Does it make a difference if it's a full moon or a new moon?
Yeah, both. Full moon or new moon?
Full moon we have to receive energies. New moon we have to give the energies.
Release.
We will release in the sense, if we have good energy balance, we can give the energies to Earth basically.
New moon means it is
No moon.
no moon.
No moon.
No moon.
No moon.
It's a new moon. Birth of new moon.
No moon at all.
Yeah.
Comes back again.
Again comes back. Both has got more energies. New moon and full moon.
No.
Yeah. Next comes the vegetarianism. Like it's better to follow vegetarianism.
Not weird.
Hmm? Yeah.
We all agree.
Yeah.
We all agree.
All are vegetarians only.
No.
You're
I
not
said
veg-
I'm a carnivore.
Oh, carnivore.
Opposite.
Okay.
The
You?
diet that I follow makes me eat a
Yeah, I
lot of
eat,
meat.
but I agree with you. I do eat.
Slowly, but that is also you should not stop in between. You should naturally that thing should happen. It should not be something
Sudden
like
change.
somebody is telling that it is good to stop. That's why I'm stopping. Also, it's not correct. Naturally, that process should happen. Okay. Like why we should not eat non-vegetarianism is like because of the soul's evolution, like infant souls, like once the soul has taken birth into the earth, the soul will pass through 7 evolutionary phases, like can you tell know that? Sure. Infant soul, baby soul, young soul, mature soul, transidual, and transidual. Okay, old soul and transitive. These are 7 evolutionary phases of the soul. And we have 5 kingdoms also: mineral kingdom, and plant kingdom, mineral kingdom, animal kingdom, plant kingdom,
Mineral, plant, animal.
mineral, plant, animal, human, and divine kingdom. These are all 5 kingdoms. So the soul will pass through all these. This evolutionary soul will pass through all these 5 phases basically. First, it takes birth as mineral, then as plant, then as animal, and then as
Human,
human,
divine.
and then it becomes divine basically. So what happens? Why? What exactly is the basic funda? Irrespective of the physical things which we may face if we eat non-vegetarianism, but the actually we are stopping the evolutionary process of the animal. Yeah, we are stopping to become from animal to human. So that bad karma will take, will suffer basically, because suppose if somebody come and kill you, you design some life design, and you came here on the earth, and you are facing the challenges which will help you to uplift your consciousness. Somebody comes and kill you, then
Your evolution is stopped.
your evolution is stopped, no?
But what happens to your soul?
Soul will be there, but the evolution is stopped.
Again, you take rebirth. Again,
Again you have to take rebirth.
again, force.
The process of meditation is for liberation, no? For liberation we do means we create our own reality, and we should liberate from this physical body, and death and birth should be in our control, not from somebody else. Nobody else will design. Okay, we ourselves will choose and come. Okay.
Do plants have souls?
Hmm?
Do plants have souls?
Yeah, they have souls. So that's why we are stopping the evolution of the soul. That's why we should take that karma also. That is the spiritual reason basically. For
To be vegetarian.
we should not stop anybody's evolution, not only animals, anybody's evolution. We should not stop.
But we're
basically.
stopping the plant's evolution.
Plants have got very little conscious.
That's why basically we should be from vegetarians, fruitarians, and breatharians. Finally, our goal should be of breatharians. We should live with, actually we should live with prana.
Oh.
Nothing is required
Oh, okay.
basically.
Yeah.
First from non-vegetarian to vegetarian, then from there to
Fruitarian.
fruitarian, means only fruit vegetables. From there to breatharian, only breath. You will survive only on the breath. That is the highest stage you have to reach, breatharian. Then there is no harm, nothing. You just with the breath only you survive your life. That's the reason. And for plants, animals, why we tell? Because in the plants, animals, difference. There is receptors in the animals. Means they are having sense organs. They can feel. Emotions are there. In a plant, there are no emotions. They are very minute. Example, in a house, in a hut, a small house, there are some tomatoes kept. There is a pet animal which you will save. When it's fire, the house has got fire, which you will save? Whether the animal. Why? Because because the animals has got emotions, feelings are there. but you will not save tomato when house has got fire, because again it can be grown again, because animals you can't again make it to grow. It has to go to the process, but any plants you can make it to grow again. Main thing is receptors. In the animals we have receptors. How we are having sense organs, they are having receptors. Plant doesn't have nervous system, brain, mind not there. In the animals everything is there. They have sense organs, mind, nervous system, everything is there. That's the reason.
Basically,
I'm going. Thank you, Miss Ramya.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Are you going to share those?
Yeah, I'm sharing.
In PowerPoint.
Yeah, definitely. Thank you.
Thanks, Ankit.
yeah, most welcome.
I will join next time.
Yeah.
And I will not be late.
Okay, bye.
Thanks.
Join.
And slowly the change will come, because any change, if it is external change, it is temporary.
That's what I'm saying. Na? Even non-vegetarian to
Slowly it
vegetarian
should-
conversion also, it should be natural.
Natural,
Yeah, exactly.
not on any force. If it's on force, it's a
Yeah.
temporary change.
But automatically after doing meditation for some time, you will only stop.
You will get your inner message. Your soul will message what's
only,
right, what's wrong.
inner only will tell you to, not tell you, you will automatically.
Your intuition will guide you.
My cousin, she became vegetarian by herself.
That's
She
permanent
couldn't
change.
eat meat anymore.
Yeah, that's
she,
what.
she couldn't like
Automatically.
she couldn't have meat anymore, and she just became pescatarian. Actually, she eats fish, but
Okay.
she doesn't eat red meat or chicken. Just by herself.
Okay.
The same things happened to me as well.
You just stopped eating meat.
4 years now.
After 6
And it's difficult to go back.
They will call 6
Yeah.
tablets.
Like in my house, I'm the only one.
Once 5 finish, one more you can finish.
Yeah.
So you
You just
finish
don't
it.
like the
Yeah,
Next
One more
one
tablet.
is,
you just
last
feel like it's like.
optimal
optimum,
diet.
that will finish it. That will
Yeah.
finish it.
So even if it's there, like my friend, everybody has it.
1 second.
Yeah.
We will finish the 6 tablets, and next step we can discuss next week.
okay.
The 5th tablet she will
The
explain.
fifth tablet,
tablet.
sixth tablet is optimal diet and silence. So whenever we feel disturbed now, it is indication from nature that you have to be in silence. Okay, you have to keep mauna vrata, we say, like in India, like that. If the nature is disturbing you, means you need to be in silence. That is the alarm from nature. You need to be in silence. In those silence days, you need to take. We have all gnanendriyas and karmendriyas. Gnanendriyas means 5 senses: ear, eye, nose, and tongue and skin. These are the 5 senses. We seek the information from all these 5 senses basically. Okay. In optimal diet and maunam, we can say what happens. We close all this basically, internally and externally also. More time we have to be in meditation and not watching any TV or anything. Just observe a natural process, what is happening, what thoughts are running in your mind. You have to write everything. Self introspection time, you can say. You have to you have to refrain from watching TV or social media or something like this, and always maintain half stomach in those maunam days. Okay.
Silence.
Silence. Half stomach, not full stomach. Like if we feel that if we eating full stomach means we are full and our physical body will fit, but it's not like that. It should be 3/4. Always you should be 3/4 full. Once the 3/4 is full, you should stop eating. Okay. And inner silence is far more superior than outer silence. Once you start practicing outer silence, slowly you will achieve the inner silence after some time. Okay. So, but for achieving that inner silence, that outer silence is very important. Not eating anything or only half eating stomach. Better to not eat anything. Suppose if you keep 3 days mauna, better to be in liquid diet or something like that. Then not eating anything must be advised. Okay. In those 3 days, again you'll come to know what are the mistakes you have done. Some past realizations will come. That energy will help you not to repeat the same thing again. So that's how this These are all energy tablet, energy spiritual tablets. Till now, what we discussed. Tell what we can you. What are the 6 we discussed? Forgot.
Be vegetarian, be silent,
Silent.
do meditation, pyramid meditation,
Moon meditation.
full moon meditation.
No moon
Yes,
meditation.
wonderful.
Group meditation.
Group meditation.
First individual meditation,
Group meditation,
group meditation,
Group meditation.
pyramid meditation,
Pyramid meditation.
Full
moon meditation,
No
vegetarianism,
moon meditation,
optimal diet.
vegetarianism, and yeah,
Optimal.
Maunam,
And silence.
and silence.
and silence. These are the first
tablets.
6. These are for energy tools,
okay.
for getting more and more energy. And the next 6 we'll discuss on
Next weekend.
next week. That is for knowledge, basically. This energy principles and knowledge principles will lead our life, will help to lead our life very happily. And if you have any doubts, you can post it in group. We can discuss.
Questions.
And,
Anyone has questions?
So next time we'll bring this as well.
yeah.
If you
Ask
don't
any
won't
questions.
come.
Yeah.
I'm
Any
planning to
questions
steal it.
from anyone?
No, offline.
Yeah, there are something there. Chat you can.
You have the same glasses.
This is big one. Hello, friends. If you have any doubts, you can
So,
just
you
ask.
feel relaxed.
Yeah.
Hello.
Hello. Hi, sir.
He feels the most.
Hello.
Hi, sir.
Yes, thank you.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Hi,
Hi,
sir.
sir. I have one. I have one question.
Yeah, you can ask.
In full, in the full moon day, she told it's 3 times or 6 times more better. This thing. Just I want to confirm that when we asking some thoughts, some problems in that one, it will get the reflect in the dream, and it will give the solution and this. So is there any? Just I'm okay. I agree with this one. Anything it will happens really, or how it will get practice? Just can you explain in this regard?
You got it?
Ma'am, sir, can you repeat the question?
You told that in the full moon day, if you meditate, it will give 3 times or 6 times more than other normal meditation.
Yeah.
And when we thought about on that day, particularly, it will give knowledge in the dream. If you follow that
Yes.
one knowledge, then you will get resolve that problem. So,
Yeah.
is there any just evidence or something else to give me some more strength? Like you have any more explanation?
Explanation in the sense what you can suppose if you keep a thought in your meditation in full moon days, basically there are many people, they find
Yeah.
out their past lives. For some people, for finding
Okay.
out their past life itself, they get so much of relief. Yeah, I have done this thing in my past life, that's why I'm facing this kind of situation in this lifetime. They'll completely ready to accept that particular situation, so that what happens, they use their meditation energy to face that particular situation, not to offend it. Understood? Once you start facing willingly that particular situation, what happens, because of our previous prior knowledge and past life wisdom, we will utilize our energy to face that particular situation, to gain the fruits of that particular situation. Will not escape from that particular situation unnecessarily. What happens, why I am facing this particular situation, you keep on thinking and you drain yourself. That also creates so many blocks and so many diseases. Unnecessarily you go to doctors and all because of that. Instead of that, if you know the reason, the root cause of that particular disease or particular problem, nature will give you, nature will open, universe will start opening the doors for addressing that particular problem. Okay.
Okay.
So,
Yeah, understand.
consciously you start facing that problem. So what happens once you start facing the problem consciously, you will not unnecessary, the body will not carry the disease basically. So you'll start looking for
Yeah.
solutions. Everything
Solutions,
is based on our
exactly,
thoughts only,
exactly.
no? So once you open up your thoughts, what happens that I need a solution. Everything is a thought, right? So once you start your mind for the universal guidance, universe will start guiding you again. That's how we can utilize this
Correct.
full moon day. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Hope
Sure.
I
I
addressed
understand
you.
concept.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
And on full moon day, sir, everything is 3 times more
You
intensified.
got to
Whether it is good or
Yeah.
if you are in a
That's
good
how
thing,
the
that
health
gets
will
3 times
come.
faster. If you are in a depression, it is 3 times more effective. So you should be very cautious on a full moon days and use that, and that is important. Both will get manifested
Correct.
3 times. So if you're in the depression state in the full moon day, it will be 3 times more effective in your life, that day. So you should be very cautious. Even if the meditation is 3 times more effective, it's the positive way. Both is 3 times intensified. That you have to be very much. We should be careful. Negative or the positive will be 3 times amplified. So be very cautious on a
Correct.
So once you know the reason, you will stop thinking because I created it. That's why I'm facing this. Once you know the reason and consciously confronting that situation, will definitely give the knowledge fruits, wisdom fruits. Only the wisdom you will gain
Correct.
out of it. Okay, that will add up onto your
Okay.
consciousness. Yes.
Correct.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you all for joining the session. Today we discussed the first 6 tablets, spiritual tablets, and next week we'll discuss the remaining 6 tablets. Okay, and if you have any doubts, you can post in the group also. And we have
And we
shared
will
the PPT
share
also
the
in the group
PP,
also. You can
notes,
just
in
go
the-
through the PPT in the WhatsApp group. If you have any doubts, you can contact, you can message in the group. Or if you have any personal doubts you want to speak, you can contact Ramya madam also. She will guide you. Any doubts you're having, you can contact her over phone also. Okay. Thank you all friends for joining. I will end the session now.